Hello lovelies, the last one on the Mylee gel nail polishes. Are you getting sick of me yet? I just really love gel nail polish at the moment. I really like the way they look on, so yeah. If you do it the way I'm doing it, you won't have to get the full kit. So I don't have the lamp from them. I don't have like the whole caboodle to take it off. I basically just, when the nails are coming off, when the false nails that I've got are coming off, nothing is left under your natural nail. There's no residue or anything like that, which is good. Otherwise it would take you a hot minute to, you know, get the nail polishes off, and you'd need all the correct kit. So I'm gonna show you least favourite to favourite on these, I think. So we've got this one, this Mylee Freshly Squeezed. It's just not me. I know it's not, but I am gonna try it. I mean, you can tell I've just not even pulled these out because I got these just before my birthday. They were a birthday present for myself. I think if you tanned, you'd so suit that colour. I think if you had false tan on or you was naturally tan, you'd so suit it. It's definitely a colour for spring, summer. I see a lot of people wearing that shade, but I know I wouldn't be able to pull it off. I'm going to try it though. And like I said earlier, if I don't like it, I can pass it on to someone. I'll probably just take it to the salon and see if they want it. They're not going to say no to Mylee, are they? Then I've got this one. When I saw this in the kit, in the mystery bundle, should I say, I'm like, but I've already got that one. I shouldn't be getting it again. What you do if you have got more than one of their mystery bundles, the first mystery bundle that I got was option 1. I've just noticed, because I'm putting links onto these videos, they're not even selling option 1 anymore. It's out of stock. And then this one that I'm talking to you about now is option 4. So anyway, this one is called Ladylike, and it's so similar to Quite Delightful, but the lighter colours, like this one is lighter than this one. So we've got Ladylike, which is the newer one, and then Quite Delightful, which I got around November time. They are quite similar, but not, or that's the way it looks. Right, now I'm excited to show you these. I'm excited to use them. So these are the magnetic ones, and even though the magnetic, you don't need a magnet, you can just have it as like a duochrome. So we've got that shade there. How pretty does it look? That one's called Aura. So like I said, if you want the magnetic ones, choose option 4 if you can, and don't buy them now because they're £40. Buy them on a sale. So that looks like that. And they will be on my showcase as well. So if you just want to keep checking that out when they've got a sale on, or check anyone else's out, you'll be able to get them then. Mylee also do lives a lot, so you'll be able to get sales through them as well. So let me show you what this one looks like. Oh, it's stunning. Wow. It doesn't look that purple to me. The light is reflecting onto the thing here, and it looks like bronzy purple. I can't wait to use that one. I'm gonna have to use that really soon. Then we've just got that last magnetic one, so that looks like that. It looks pretty darker. This one's called Spell. These are more than £10 to buy, and I'm just so glad I got the bundle. They said it includes 1 magnetic nail polish and I got 2, so I was really lucky. Looks like that. This one looks lighter actually, doesn't it? Not darker. Ooh, it's got green in it and blue. Pretty. Yeah, so I definitely want to use these soon. I'm going to try and get a magnet. I do have a magnet, but it's really quite strong. So I am happy with my bundle. So we've got 2 mystery bundles. We've got this